Embracing inclusivity, enhancing your English with respectful language. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic: using inclusive language. What is inclusive language, you may ask? Well, it's a way of speaking and writing that acknowledges and respects all people, no matter their gender, race, religion, ability, or social status. It's about avoiding offensive language and expressions. Sounds interesting, right? Let's dive in. Inclusive language is not just about being politically correct. It's about demonstrating respect and fostering a sense of belonging. When we use inclusive language, we promote a more equitable and inclusive environment. This allows us to have more productive, positive, and respectful conversations. The opposite, non-inclusive language, can inadvertently harm or exclude people by reinforcing stereotypes or diminishing their experiences. Now, let's look at some common examples of non-inclusive language. Phrases like manpower or chairman are examples where the language is gendered, suggesting these roles are strictly for men. Similarly, using terms like crazy or insane to describe surprising situations can be offensive to individuals with mental health conditions. The good news is that it's not difficult to switch to inclusive language. Here are some replacements for our earlier examples. Manpower becomes workforce. Chairman becomes chairperson, or simply chair. Instead of crazy or insane, try saying something is astonishing or extraordinary. When in doubt, aim for neutral language. This means avoiding assumptions about a person's identity, abilities, or experiences. Changing the way we speak or write can be a challenge, but with consistent effort, you can make inclusive language a habit. Practice it as often as possible, in different scenarios, when you're talking to friends, writing emails, or even thinking in English. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. What's important is that you are making an effort to improve. In this video, we have explored the power of inclusive language in English conversation. By using words that respect and include everyone, we make our conversations more inviting and respectful. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication. It reflects our attitudes and values. So let's use it to create a more inclusive world. Thanks for joining us in today's lesson, and we hope you found it useful. Until next time, happy learning!